Welcome to Pinvesting, India's first real estate channel. Let's dive in the latest property news from Indian market. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant announced on Friday that the recently reconstituted group of ministers on the real estate sector believes that the goods and services tax, GST, on housing should be kept to a bare minimum to ensure affordability for the general public. The final decision regarding this will be made during the next meeting, scheduled to take place in Goa on 23 September or 24, with Sawant leading the discussions. In the GOM meeting held on Thursday, several key issues were addressed. These included the GST applicable to properties leased by the government for over 30 years, challenges faced by housing societies, and the potential imposition of GST on redevelopment projects. Sawant highlighted that the GOM also emphasized the need to boost the real estate sector under the GST framework. This meeting was significant as it marked the first gathering of the GOM in 4 years. One of the primary discussions was whether a minimum GST should be applied to redeveloped houses. The state government has been tasked with providing data on housing societies and industrial plots to further this discussion. Sawant noted that West Bengal, Punjab, and Maharashtra have already submitted their proposals, and all states have been asked to provide details on redevelopment schemes and any resulting revenue losses. The GOM is now focused on collecting updated data from all states on these agenda points to thoroughly examine the revenue implications and other relevant factors before making any decisions. In a separate matter, Sawant mentioned that he plans to visit Delhi to meet with the Defence Minister, urging the allocation of more flight slots at Dabolim Airport. He also appealed to Union Civil Aviation Minister Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu to prevent domestic airlines from shifting operations from Dabolim Airport to Manohar International Airport at Mopa. Additionally, Sawant requested the authorization of new international flights for Dabolim and advocated for the reduction of parking and user development fees to help sustain the airport's operations. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.